Hey guys, welcome back to another stream of Work in a Dream with me. And today's thing that I want to share is don't forget to have fun. Whenever you go on the journey, the destination isn't what's important, the journey is. And yeah, let's get right into it. Let me get my gloves of necromancy. Because I animate. Wait, I don't even need the gloves, never mind. I was gonna say that because I animate non-living objects. Screen shake. Shake it. Let's do one. Nope. Nothing. Create a folder. This shall be freeze frames. It's gonna have duration only, right? Variable, float reference, duration. I believe that would be it. Let's call this one under effects. Freeze frames. And let's give it a script. Freeze frames. And freeze frames will also have a scriptable object, which will be an event. Freeze frames. Yep, and this will have a listener any day now. Game event listener. Once the freeze frames event triggers, we will do something here, which we will code right now. So this shall be freeze frames, public float reference. This will be duration, right? And let's have a float current duration. And we will have a public void, public void, which will be trigger freeze frames, which all it will do is current duration equals duration dot value. That's it. And what we'll do here is if the current duration is greater than 0, current duration minus equal time dot delta time, and what do we do here? Time dot delta time dot time scale equals 0 here. If the current duration is now less than 0, time scale will be 1 byte. Okay. Now we'll need to do stuff for this. Let's just do timer temp, just so we can reference this. What do we do here? I guess we'll need to create a non-dependent time, or independent time, because when we freeze time, the delta time will always be 0, so we need our own delta time. Independent time. Let's do this. Today might actually be a very, very fast stream. Okay. Duration and the value. Yes. Okay. Let's get to independent time. Let's do update. Let's do an int called counter, or float called counter equals 1. Let's start with 1, I guess. No, let's start with 0. Float delta times sum, which will be also 0, I believe. And this will be public static get delta time, get I delta time. Do we have a delta time? Delta time when time scale 0. Unscaled delta time. Unscaled delta time. Okay, it's unscaled delta time. We don't actually need to create it. So what we will do is we will delete this because we do not need it. And I think we're done. Wow. Fast stream under 10 minutes. Dang. It's like we're actually doing a tutorial. It's like we are actually doing a tutorial. Let's delete this. Actually, let's get this from here. Delete this from here. Delete this. Dun dun. Dun dun. Delete this. So now, let's add this to our response. Once we trigger the freeze frames thing, we will trigger freeze frames. Let's do this. If, just so we don't start with the duration of 0, if duration dot value is greater than 0, let's do this. Dun, 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 unscaled delta time. Yes. That was easy. Let's actually see if it's easy or not. Let's do 1 second duration. Uh, 1 second duration. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. This will be the duration. Let's actually trigger it from debug, I guess. Let's have debug. Let's create trigger event. Let's trigger this one by pressing T. So when you press T, it should freeze for like 1 second and then continue. Nice, it works. It works. Fantastic. Okay. So our freeze frames event, the duration will be 1 divided by 24. So this will be, so 1 is 1 second, right? And there are like 24 frames in a second, so we want to freeze it for 1 frame, I think. So let's freeze it for 1 frame, and let's trigger this event once we hit something. I hope we do. So where do we hit something? We hit something by attack destructibles. Attack down value. So what we want to do is we want to trigger something when this happens, right? This is false. No. We also want to trigger a public game object, game event. Destroyed something. You want to trigger this once we destroy something, so we'll check if this happens. We will trigger this. Destroyed something dot raise. And if it's player down, we will pogo. Let's clean this up. Clean this up. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I think this is it. This closes this, and this closes this, and this closes this, right? So weird. Why is this highlighted? Oh, it's because we control F'd it. Alright. Spare down value, we will pogo. Has destroyed something. We need this under... we need an event for this. I believe the event shall exist on player attack. So let's add it here. Create event, game event, destroyed something event. Noor says, hey Noor, how is it going? Welcome to the stream. It's good seeing more of you, Noor. Dun, 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 dun. Destroyed something event will be here. And let's do something once that happens. So listener, this will be, we will listen to if something is destroyed, we will freeze the frames. Raise. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. How will this feel? Okay, I didn't actually feel this. Maybe we need to increase the duration. Maybe times 2. It says, thanks, I can join since you stream early. Yeah, I try. I try to stream at different times, so anyone can join, really. Stream will always be late. Will always be late. Okay, it feels like it's lagging. It feels like it's lagging for 2 frames. Yeah, it's just lagging. 2. Whoa. Okay, it's just lagging. Let's do 24 divided by 1 divided by 24. At least it works, right? Vietnam. I really like the what do you say? Screen shake. Screen shake looks great. Also, let's do something extra. Let's add another variable, which will be screen shake unscaled time. It will be a bool reference. Use unscaled time. This will be true. So this will be public bool reference. Use unscaled time. Dun 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 dun. I believe we will. The unscaled time will be a factor here, I think. Because set lerp target. Let's set lerp. This is timeless. Delta x speed. What's timeless? Doesn't. Oh, it's timeless. Okay. Set unscaled lerp target. Static public void set lerp target unscale unscale time. This will be the same as this, as everything really, except it's not delta time, it is time dot unscaled delta time, which is what we are looking for. So what this will do is, if unscaled that value, if it's not this, we'll do this. Else we'll do the exact same thing, except it's gonna be this. Alright. But I think velocity is dependent on the thing, right? Wait. Does it? Okay, this might suck. Do we need to do our own velocity? Destroy something event. Freeze frames event. Duration, let's do a second. What? Oh, it's because we didn't give it something to use. We didn't use this. Use unscaled time. Right, let's use unscaled time. Which is true, right? It is true. Yes. Yeah, it doesn't work, sadly. Let's see if we can do it. Velocity, unscaled time. Da-da-da-dun. Da-da-da-dun, dun-dun. Sure. Da-da-da-da. Velocity. Timetable, get player timer. Okay, I see. So we need to do our own velocity. Well, that's a suck. That's a sucks. But wait, didn't we do it like in the old game, old version of the game? Dead Evolution. Actually, we don't need to open this. We can just, you know, open our own games. No, 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 not Fraps. PC, desktop, my games, Necrowave, prototype, this one. Man, attacking was so meh. Also, the game feels so sluggish. Yeah. We can do screen shake. We can screen shake while it is stuck. And okay, that's a sucks. That is a sucks. Movement feels so much better now. Okay, that sucks. Da-da-da-da. Let's do duration, which will be 21 divided by 12. 2 frames, okay? Let's do it 2 frames. Or actually 0.5, let's do half a second. Or maybe quarter a second. Or maybe 1/8 of a second. Maybe, baby, please. Why? Yeah, that's way too much, I think. But it's good enough for testing, I believe. I believe. Can't you see? Rising, rising. Straight to the heart from the venomous red. Velocity, unscaled time. Velocity independent time scale. Yeah, of course it's gonna be called. The right way to pause a game in Unity. How to achieve fast entrainment? Smooth slowdown. I think we need to do it this way. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Wait a moment. Screen shake velocity. Added velocity. Unscaled time. This would be the new added velocity. But if that's the case, it shouldn't continue doing the screen shake, should it? Should it? It should not. Right? Duration, let's do 1 second. Yeah, it shouldn't continue doing this. Zachary Clapper says, I like your character art. Oh, thank you, Zachary. I appreciate it. Also, welcome to the stream. How are you today? I mean, we have succeeded in doing the camera thing. Should we have a separate velocity thing for the camera? So this will be velocity, right? And we'll also have another one for the screen shaked velocity, I think. But we only want to keep the velocity? Unscaled screen shake. Maybe let's try something. Zachary says, I'm very tired, it's late where I am. I saw one of your posts on Twitter and I thought to come say hi. Oh, that's okay. I'm happy that you came by and said hi. Glad my post reached you on Twitter. Yeah, it's 9 AM where I am. I usually stream late. I have a really weird sleeping pattern. But funnily enough, I'm now waking up really early. At 6 AM. I used to wake up at the middle of the night. But yeah, thank you for coming. This will be public velocity vector 2 reference. This will be the added velocity, I think, right? Added screen shake velocity, right? Okay. Here it will be if bounces left is greater than is less than or equal 0, added velocity will equal to vector dot 0. Yes, fantastic. So yeah, let's make added velocity a public vector 2 reference. Let's do it. Here added velocity. So this will have to be dot value. So let's copy this whole thing. Let's do this, do this, do that, do this. Did velocity. That is not how you spell added velocity, Arfus. Here, 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 and here. Is there anywhere else where we need to do this? Add velocity dot value. Okay, fantastic. Here, here, value dot value, nope. Value dot value, nope. Value dot value, also nope. Anywhere else that we need assistance with? No, I do not think so. Alright, I think we are good to go. Screen shake event added. Let's do one for added velocity. Added velocity here. Added velocity. Velocity here. Added velocity. Added velocity. This will be, sure, start with 0, I guess. And this will have our added velocity. Also public velocity reference is unscaled screen shake, right? So if it's unscaled screen shake is true, we'll move the camera. The transform dot position will be plus equal screen shake plus equals screen shake velocity multiplied by time dot unscaled delta time. Right, I think this is it. Unscaled velocity, that value. correct Mongo. I think this is correct. Let's do it to vector 3, I guess, then. Okay, this works, I guess. Nur says quack quack, and I respond with quack quack quack. Take that, duck. Take that. Okay, let's see. Oh, we need to check also if it's okay, unscaled time. We also need to check if time dot delta time time dot time scale equals 0 and this. Okay. Duck. Do not offend Duck. Duck said. Well, Duck started it. I didn't start it. The duck said quack quack. I had to defend myself, you know? I do not leave myself unguarded. For I know I'm a wizard, but I'm a wizard with a big staff. I am a friendly wizard, not a friendly wizard that attack. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, screen check. Whoa. Okay, the camera doesn't move properly. It does not move properly. Why? I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Today is gonna be the day, but I'll never throw it back to you. Where do we use time here? Oh, she said quack as in hi. Oh, in that case, I say quack, quack, quack. Alright, sorry for the misunderstanding. Then use unscaled time value. Yeah, we're using unscaled delta time. Yo. Multiplied by speed. But we're using unscaled time, right? Yeah. Time, unscaled time, target, delta x time, delta x speed. Math F min. We're using this, okay. But we are. If it's positive, do this. Wait, do if statements count? Yeah, if statements work. How else we do this? Oh, is it because the added velocity doesn't change? No, it does change. It does change. It does change. Then what's the problem? What's the problem? Debug. Let's do a debug here. Actually, let's do it here. Do we even go here? Debug.log 1. Da, 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 da. So we do go here. We do go here. So lerp unscale time. Wait, what? Doesn't go inside when we're frozen. It does not. Does not go inside when we're frozen. That sucks. That sucks. Why is that, I wonder? Bounces left is greater than 0. Let's check for time, I guess. Let's check here. Check here. Check here. Check here. Check here. Debug.log 2. Right. Let's do debug.log 1. Now let's check. Now what'll happen? I love how I finished the whole thing in 10 minutes, but debugging is taking like almost an hour. Why do we have 2 here? Oh. This comes from setlerp target. Ah, okay. So it actually doesn't come from this one. Yeah, it's stupid that I actually added these here. Freeze frame, screen check, velocity. Let's remove this, please. Let's do this. This one. Debug. Debug.log 1, 2. So this one, duck was sad until wizard apologized to duck. That's good. That's always good to hear. Let's even check if we're going inside here in the first place. Oh, is it because we're in fixed update? And fixed update is only called Oh, we actually don't go inside fixed update. Let's try something different. Differente. Talking to the moon. I think this has something to do with it being fixed update and not actually update. Let's do this. I think we got this now. I wanna bet that this will work now. Check Discord. Okay. Add the roles. You wanted to share progress about your game, right? Okay. Okay. We have done it, and I believe this should work. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I believe it should. It should work. What is you? Hello, who am I to you? Nope. Doesn't work for some reason. Does not work. Oh, it does work. It just finishes. It just finishes. Just finishes early. Bounce. If bounce is left. If time scale not equals 0, bounce is left, well, minus. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Now, what'll happen? Maybe the power needs to be stronger. Starting velocity. Be 20, added velocity. Linear acceleration will be maybe 80. Let's do it. Let's see. Yes, I mean it works, but it works, but wait, bounces minus. Let's do something interesting here. If timescale equals 0, bounces left will be set max. Let's do another one for set max power. This will make bounces left equals this. Let's do this. Max power. Okay, let's do this. And use unscale time. Unscale time, not value. Let's see. Okay, unscale time. Set max power. We want to change direction. Current max velocity, yes, and nope. We do not want it to be that way. Just want the maximum velocity. Okay, I think this should work. Guy he says, hello bro. Hey Guy, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. How are you today? Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's see how this will look. I wonder, I'm actually excited. I think it's gonna look nice. Well, maybe not that nice. But it does do exactly what we intended to do. Wait, what? Yeah, it works. Yeah, it works, okay. Let's do duration, which would be 1 divided by 12. Let's try that. 10. I'm happy to hear you're good. That's always great to hear. Let's just do 1 frame. Let's do this divided by 2. Yeah, it looks nice. Just 1 frame. Nice. I like it. Guy says, are you working on prototype 2? I'm a big fan for Arfis. Oh, I appreciate it. And yes, I am working on a second prototype. But yeah, I like this. The screen shake looks really nice. Like, look at this. Just look at this. Wow. Really nice. It feels good, doesn't it? It feels really good. Like, you can actually, like, feel it breaking because of the pulse frame and the screen shake. I like it. Yeah, in just 1 hour. Under an hour. Nice. Really cool. Whoa, super cool. So I think tomorrow we will be polishing the attack a bit. I'm quite happy with how it feels. We can edit it as much as we'd like to our heart's desire. Is it our heart's desire? Let's try doing acceleration would be half speed, and starting velocity will also be half speed. Guy says, bro, how can I play Prototype 2? By going to the future. Figure out how to go to the future, and you'll be able to play it. Flying to the moon. I don't like this weak screen shake. Flying to the moon. Yeah, I like it. I like it. But you downloaded new version for this game. How can I download? New Moon? What? But you downloaded a new version for this game. How can I download? I mean, I didn't download it. I made it. But no, there is only one version that is available for play publicly. And that is the one available in the Discord. But yeah. New version is still under progress. I like this so much, this feels so good. Arfist logic, figure out time travel to get my game. Exactly. Talking to the moon. Man, the attack looks so good. I like it. Alright. I guess that's it for today's stream. I'm happy progress is going fast. Thanks to everyone that dropped by the stream. And I'll see you guys next time on Dragon Ball Z.